This video is for people who fall for systematic or algorithm trading, who claim to have the best risk reward ratio, best risk management, and best logics of trading. Since past 3 years, there have been a plethora of claimants on Instagram, Twitter, and on social media who seem to have cracked the markets with their system. The only problem here is that markets are not linear, markets are not logical. It is a paradox that markets give you so much data to calculate, but no one can calculate the markets. I would rather think if someone has a system to earn 50 or 100% from the markets, why would he or she share it with others for a few thousands or a few lakhs? Think about it. Have you heard of late Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Vallabh Bhanshali, Ramesh Damani, Ashish Kacholia, or other marquee investors where public data is available, they are worth more than thousands of crores? Have they claimed that they have a system which has cracked the markets? Think about it. It will give you one more, I will give you one more perspective. Long Term Capital Management. This is a company which was founded in 1994 by John Meriwether, the former vice chairman and head of bond trading and Salman Brothers. Salman Brothers no longer there in existence, but that time it was a huge company. Members of Long Term Capital Management's board of directors included Myron Scholes and Robert Merton, who 3 years later in 97 shared the Nobel Prize in economics for having developed the Black-Scholes models of options trading and financial dynamics. Imagine a person who's developed the thesis of options trading, managing your money. LTCM has had those pedigree of investors. LTCM are the smartest team in the world. They boasted of 1 in 1,000 times their system, 1 in 1,000 times chance of 10% depreciation. I'm sure today's claimants on Instagram and Twitter are not as smart as LTCM. Long-term capital management was initially successful with annualized returns after fees of around 21% in the first year, 43% in the second year, and 41% in its third year. Long-term capital management grew to $129 billion of AUM. $129 billion, 94 till 97. Long story short, they lost $553 million in one day and became bankrupt in 98, 4 years flat. Since many countries' government treasuries were invested in the fund, they got a $3 billion bailout that time, but eventually in 2000 the fund lost this too and it was closed permanently. Imagine the smartest people in the planet developing a foolproof system of trading and losing it all in a span of 4 years. Want to know what they traded? Sexy names like equity and bond arbitrage, options, currency swaps, all these names which are very good, sexy, good to hear. Once you take a step back and analyze what makes money in the markets, you will understand that it is the same old boring buy equities in delivery and hold for a good period of time. Only that makes money in the markets and nothing else.